Welcome. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your own thoughts, this short practice is for you. This is a simple 3-minute mindfulness exercise for absolute beginners. There is no right or wrong way to do this. Your only task is to be present. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or standing, and gently close your eyes. Let's begin by bringing your full attention to your breath. Don't change it, just notice it. Feel the sensation of the air entering your nostrils and feel it leaving. Notice the gentle rise of your chest and belly on the inhale and the gentle fall on the exhale. Your breath is your anchor to this present moment. If your mind starts to wander, as it naturally will, just gently guide your focus back to the sensation of breathing. Now, expand your awareness from your breath to the sounds around you. Listen without judgment. Don't label the sounds as good or bad. Just notice them as pure sensations. Perhaps you hear the distant hum of traffic, the ticking of a clock, or the sound of your own breathing. Each sound is just a part of this moment. Acknowledge it and let it pass, always gently returning to the anchor of your breath. You have just practiced mindfulness. You have stepped out of the stream of constant thinking and rested in the present moment. Know that you can return to this anchor, to your breath, to the sounds around you anytime your mind feels cluttered. When you are ready, take one final conscious breath and slowly open your eyes.